If you want to make any short story for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, you can use this AI to make shorts in less than 1 minute. Visit to this AI website. Write your prompt as you want your shorts in this prompt box and click on Generate button. Give few seconds to AI to process, then select duration as well as language of your shorts. Then select your video tone you want. Then select a theme of your video. Select Video Overlay, only available for paid users. Select Video Background Music, select VoiceOver, and finally click on Next button. What is name of this AI? You will find the necessary links in description. On next page you will find everything is ready, you need to review it and click on Next button to start the video generation process. This process will take few minutes to be completed by this AI, you will not need to worry about anything. Here's our shorts is ready to download. Let's see the final output. Before that, if you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.
Benny the rabbit loved exploring his backyard. One day, he stumbled upon a shimmering seed unlike anything he'd ever seen. This wasn't just any seed. It was magical. Benny planted it with care, and in no time, a fantastical garden bloomed. The garden was full of surprises. Benny learned about the power of friendship from the talking flowers, teamwork from the busy butterflies, and the importance of caring for the environment from the wise old tree. Benny's magical garden was a place of joy, laughter, and learning. He realized that even the smallest seed can grow into something amazing, if you believe in yourself and your friends. What do you think Benny learned from his adventure? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more magical stories.
Thank you for watching.